Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, I'm Sita Isnala Sali. Here I will discuss about bureaucracy service. The bureaucracy in Indonesia when the parties perspective that arise a service and government administration staying and slow. The bureaucracy is the days in Indonesia developed change. However, after the political forms around many effect and program for development and institution development, we also reform toward a more democratic system. The bureaucracy, the business award, and the main pillar from right the good government implementation. Know that from the good government, the bureaucracy as a formal organization has a position and the way of the working that is bound by regulation, has a complete according to position or the country, the speed of the public service. Third, between belong to the organization and individual organization that now far from external supervision. It is a condition can be then the hope the identitas as a democracy style with bring good the country and national. Therefore bureaucracy must the understood responding role ability the support implementation the government but the responding a problem and the providing service in community. There is one the condition of a professional bureaucracy a prof service in community public service, so that is ideal and bureaucracy net order have in the public service. The bureaucracy of the rules applied service rules with a aim explaining and maintaining power which from the bureaucracy the concept of the service been changed from the orientation of the ruler service until time towards of orientation of the public service. For more the 6 years of Indonesia independent, bureaucracy has played a major role in the journey of the life. In particular, after the politic from in Indonesia, from a good manager will condition in after performance of the bureaucracy. During of new order, the bureaucracy play a major role in development process. The implementation of government function such a public service, regulation, partition and distribution of the fund the democracy. However, of the rule of bureaucracy at a time did not show a public participate how the image performance of the bureaucracy. Style this among the public smiles deal with a bureaucracy because a negative image sans quality public service. KKN nepotisme has a contrast style the professionalism and the absent good culture. Flaws have been made improvement but have not have been stable. System have a result implementation of the reform agenda quality and implementation of the bureaucracy have not positive sign of implementation On the contrary, bureaucracy institution transparency in the public accountable in the big question. Many significant factors explain the condition in bureaucracy in the country, and some the explain in the following description. First, that is ability implement the participle of the good government. If the done properly, and the community will abide under and file to the rule and the faction in the bureaucracy when having system. I addition people and the underwell in the role and bureaucracy function will be a good form in the making a change, but I can also be because worldly and even make a change. Second, the government system that been a role since the from era in the wide. First, in the implementation of the bureaucracy in the regionals and the response, and that the carry this design and implementation system with the geographic and the demographic condition. The also many and the local government together with a public and private sector home combination in the order to build a good service. However, in the implementation, the regional autonomy various interventions have even then go to the far. So, same that mineral rulers and the king in the regions. That's mine. That is a implementation. There is a tending from for some regional government to the implement that is have a high power and the government. 3. The explain and regional autonomy can do bureaucracy is filed and the position which of the priority because speak rank less because seniority, not because compensation. The condition someone calls author about the power. For the bureaucracy institution style this from are many bureaucracy of our human wherein complain in the pilot work and where to the long a fight situation. Much the bureaucracy because fight because relief and familiar official or the rulers in bureaucracy. The low quality bureaucracy apparatus of women result can be from a several indications such optimal service, contributably much time not being used product, not yet optimal. Rulers in finding out the tax were 5. The unclear professional standard can be means determine the quality output products by apparatus. Information communication technology bureaucracy institution. Expandly the result in the implementation the public system which style in the slow. Which particularly by many irregulation in the public service, some service system and product human result the providing service also of the public service that is when highly. Okay, thank you attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.